Hey, Mr. Libby here. It's December 7th. We are in week 16. I'm going over some of the things I need you to do this week. So here I am in Google Classroom. When you click on the weekly planner, we have a Nearpod. That's all we're doing. Click on the link there. It's a link in Google Classroom as well. There's a link right here. That's the that's a Nearpod. This is the Google Slides that is also in the Nearpod. All right, so you're gonna click there. If you lose this link or whatever, you can go to join.nearpod.com and there's a code. It's gonna ask you, what do you know about valence electrons? It's gonna ask you to read CK12's valence electrons. There's a link to the website. It'll open up as a link in Nearpod as well, so you don't have to click that link. You might have that window open because there are some questions in Nearpod that use that web page, and if you have them both open, then you can just go and cut and paste from them. We're going to go back to PhET building atom. I know you've done this before, but I need you to review it so that you can answer those 4 questions that are bullet pointed right here. I'll highlight them. Those right there. Sorry, missed the first one. Those right there. Make sure you can answer those questions. Page 18 has valence electrons and notes. If you've got page 18 done already, please go to page 19. Do it on the next page. Mr. Hopkins is going to give you your notes video. You can watch that. He helps. There's a Tyler valence electron video that's in Nearpod. It's also linked in Google Classroom. There is a Go formative assignment that you need to go with it, and that's the assignment in Google Classroom. You may have 2 windows open. One is the video, one is the Go formative, and you fill that out as you go along. There's some matching, and there's a Bohr model practice, which is a Google Classroom assignment, and I'll go to that right now because I think that one needs a little bit of explanation. So when you get here, you go to the Bohr model, and then you need to do things like make hydrogen 2. Well, hydrogen has 1 proton, so you drag that down here. Hydrogen 2 has a neutron, so you drag that over here. All right, and then you need a valence electron because you need to make them neutral. So you take electron and you put it up here on the orbital. That's the nucleus. It's not an orbital. That's what you do. So boron 11, boron has 5 protons because it's atomic number 5. 6 neutrons because 5 plus 6 is 11. And then you put 5 electrons out here. 2 go on the first shell and the rest go on the second shell. That's what we're doing for that assignment. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm here. I can go over this during class today, and I can also go over this during class the second day of the week, which today is Wednesday, but this is also good for Tuesday, Thursday people. All right, that's all I got. If you have questions, please ask. This is Mr. Libby signing off.